Here we have a Green Tech HEPA Pro air purification unit. So I'm going to turn it on in a second, but just to give you a little bit of an idea of what this air purification unit would be doing is when it's switched on, it's throwing out positive and negative ionisation into the atmosphere. So it's dealing with airborne contaminants in an active nature. So some air purification units would send out and work on a passive basis, so they would take the airborne contaminants back and trap them. This works on an active basis where this would send out ionisation into the atmosphere, deal with it, kill it off, so that if you were standing in the middle of the room and somebody behind you had a virus, for example, by the time that virus gets back to the unit, you in the middle of the room would have a chance of catching whatever that person had. This will deal with it, drop it, take it out of the airstream, bring it back, deal with it within the filter, puts it through the ARC cell, and then blows the ionisation back into the environment and continues the cycle over again. So this is the Green Tech HEPA Pro, and when it's turned on, it's on standby. So the standby button then on the left hand side of the screen as you look at it is just activated. So it's on and off. So on, it'll come in on a fan speed. So the fan speed can be controlled via the next button, so you can go up to 5 different settings. When this system is switched on, to do away with any user interference, especially on a rental basis, it should be activated with the standby as it's shown, and then it should be activated in an automatic mode. If this senses any airborne contaminants, the screen will turn to, well, it'll be sitting green when it's good. When it realizes that there's airborne contaminants in the airstream, then it goes amber, and then it'll go red to sense that it's sensing a poor indoor environment. So that's the Green Tech HEPA Pro. So if you want to open the machine up, you just push the button at the back, take the fan tower off it, I suppose. Then you get into the filter. So the filter is a HEPA grade filter. It's treated with a unique substance called Odoguard. So Odoguard kills off any nasty, so any smells in the environment will be killed off completely upon impact with the Odoguard substance, and they'll be trapped within that filter. So this unit's just back from hire. You can see here a clean filter in the unit versus a dirty filter, and that was only in a property for a month, so you can see what sort of dust that it would be gathering up in that time. Within the unit then there's the ARC cell. It's creating the UV to kill off any airborne contaminants within it that get beyond the filtration. The ARC cell can be taken in and taken out, and then once the unit goes back on, then it activates again. I might go into the standby, start the process again. And so this is everything you need to know about the Green Tech HEPA Pro air purification unit.